Your Excellency, the Executive Governor of Rivers State, Your Excellency, the Deputy Governor of Rivers State, the Speaker, Rivers State House of Assembly, the Chairman, Rivers State Council of Traditional Rulers, the Chairman, Rivers State Elders Council, Your Excellencies, may I please pray your leave to leverage protocols already properly established by the compare. Your Excellency, we are here today for the flag off of the Elelemo Internal Road Network. Your Excellency, this project consists of a network of 26 separate roads crisscrossing the Elelemo community and also connecting Aba Road and East-West Road. Your Excellency, the total road length is 25.12 kilometers. The contractor has been mobilized. The contractor has moved to site fully and work has commenced. Your Excellency, a typical cross-section of the road shows an average of 400 millimeters of filling, soil cement stabilization, 5% soil cement stabilization, 150 millimeter thickness of stone base, 60 millimeter binder cores, and 40 millimeter wearing cores. We have two types of drains. The total length of drains on this road is 17.6 kilometers. We're going to be having the 600 drains with 150 meter wall and 150 millimeter base concrete. Then for the outfalls, which will take water and discharge to the catchment areas, we have 1.2 meter in dimension line drains with 150 millimeter walls. Your Excellency, the completion duration for this project is 6 months, and so in 6 months' time, we'll be here again for the commissioning of this project. Thank you, and God bless you.
Your Excellency.
Your Excellency, the Deputy Governor of our dear state, Right, the Honorable Speaker, former Deputy Speaker, Prince Chibodom Oche, former Senator Jordan Bata, the chairman of our dear party, chairman of Rivers State PDP Elder Council, chairman of the Rivers State Traditional Ruler Council, other traditional rulers that are here, more especially the Panama ruler of Elelewo, my dear friend, other state elders that are here, members of the State Executive Council, local government chairman, and particularly the chairman of Obiakpo, gentlemen of the press, ladies and gentlemen. Let me first of all thank the good people of Obiakpo and Elelewo specifically. This town shares a very, very special, I call it emotion in my heart. When I left the university and believed that it is proper for me to start living as a man, Elelewo was the first place I rented a one-bedroom flat before I started my life. So you can understand the emotion I have for Elelewo. I have this landlord. He used to be a Rastafarian. If he's still here, Solomon. But he was a great landlord. So I want to say thank you to these special people. Your support, more especially in our election. You came out in your numbers, you stood by what you believed in, and by the special grace of God, victory came our way. So I want to thank you. Today, we are here to do something unusual. I call it unusual because when you mark 100 days, it is not just commissioning, but we want to start adding flag off. So we're adding this as part of our program for our 100 days in office. You are aware of our journey from the first day we took our oath of office. We made promises to the good people of Rivers State that we are not going to lower the momentum for any reason, but continue to add value to what we have met, believing that the only way we can sustain the strength of our party is to contribute positively to our people. For me, this project is a very special project because it is not even the Elelewo people that are going to benefit from it. It is the strangers that are living in these areas. So you can see that our government is not about our people directly, but even those people who dwell with us, who do business with us, who also help in the economic development of our dear state. So today, we're here to start another phase of development in our state. Let me say this for record purpose. The 2023 budget that we inherited was about 500 billion. Because of this very sensitive project for the expansion and development of our dear state, we sought an approval from the House of Assembly, who graciously approved a budget, estimated budget at that time of 200 billion, which we added. And as of today, we are doing about 700 billion. 700 billion. 700 billion, if you divide what we met, you can see that we are doing about 80% of the proposed budget of 2023 that we inherited. So for me, even if we don't do 100 days, one single project that we embarked on, the Port Harcourt Ring Road, is 1 million in one. But because our promise to our people is more development, security of life and property, and that is why we will continue to add to what we have met. So for the Elelewo people, this project is your project. When the paramount ruler was addressing, he said, your own people, I want you to own this project. Give the contractor the required support so that in the next 6 months, we will be coming here to inaugurate it for your use and to the glory of God. So, as a government, our major focus, our major interest that will help us expand the scope of development in this state is one thing: security, peace, and unity. So I'm begging you, this one is not force, because you need it more than I do. We need to be peaceful. We need to love ourselves so that there will be unity, synergy with the community and the government to attract more development to your area. I am not going to limit my project to my dear Elelewa people to only road. We will not limit it. We will look into the security issues you're having because of the boundary between you and the Eleme. We know that there are cases of usual, we can't shy away from it. Development comes with its own wahala. And part of the wahala of development is when a place is expanding, it attracts both positive and negative effects. But we will tackle the negative effects. So I want to assure you, we are not limiting it to this alone. We will come to your aid in other areas that you need our attention. But for today, especially, is to say we are prepared. We will continue to do what we have learned from our predecessor to do well for our dear people. Let me, on this note, invite our dear leaders to join me while we officially flag off this unique project. Thank you. God bless you.
From the brief history of this particular project that I was given before now, it is the dream of every community, every LGA, to have sons that will be worthy ambassadors of wherever they are coming from, in order to attract development such as this. Former Governor Wike made it abundantly clear on that very day that he was very satisfied with the performance of Honorable Kingsley Chinda, his performance at all the positions he has held previously and presently, and how he has performed. And as part of compensating him for all he has done for the state, he decided to award all the internal roads in his community in Elelewa. I'm sure his people will be very proud of this very development, and it's also a way of inspiring other people to give their best at whatever task they have been given, either in government or in the private sector. This is a way of saying thank you for being a good ambassador of Rivers State and a trusted political ally. And Governor Fubara, just like the local government chairman said, is not reneging on the consolidation of the new Rivers vision. Today is a historic day in Obiakpo, particularly Elelewa, as the kickoff of this phase of commissioning and flag off starts from Elelewa community with this very project. And that's it. The project has been flagged off, and I'm very sure that it's going to be completed in record time. Of course, the Governor SYMFONI-led administration It's taking over from where